Cam Baker, Head of Equities, and thank you for joining me for Laurentian Bank's Real Estate and REITs Conference, the fourth segment of our 9th annual Investor Conference series. As you know, Laurentian Bank has a significant real estate focus. Last year, our real estate finance group reached a new milestone with $5.2 billion of asset growth, and over 35% of the bank's total assets under administration is linked to commercial lending in the sector. A further $4.3 billion is currently in our real estate commercial pipeline. I'm pleased to confirm that LBS is keeping pace with the larger banks on the real estate front, having recently tripled our real estate issuers under research and banking coverage to a total of 34. We expect continued growth in the real estate sector for Laurentian Bank, and we continue to focus on real estate as one of our core tenants. That said, I'd like to speak today a little about the current state of the real estate industry and how Laurentian Bank Securities will continue to support it. On a global scale, Canada is heavily weighted in real estate. On a global basis, total international capital flows for real estate increased 60% year over year, with North American outflows growing by more than 25%, but conversely, inflows growing by an astonishing 270%. Canada remains the largest foreign buyer of US commercial real estate by an order of magnitude, as measured by spending. We spent 19 billion USD in the United States last year, compared to Singapore's 7.9, South Korea's 6.8, and the Saudis' 2.4. Nearly all of our panels today have exposure to these capital flows and are constantly looking to harvest returns. Domestically, investment in Canadian real estate hit an all-time high in 2021 of nearly $58 billion. An impressive percentage of that was performed by the issuers here speaking today, illustrating quite the robust market. Currently and quickly, inflation and interest rates are rising. Real estate is a known inflation hedge and is priced accordingly, considering its largely fixed bottom line costs and the ability to grow revenue through leases tied to CPI or the constant churn of units into a multifamily portfolio getting brought up to market rents. Few other asset classes offer safe haven in times of rate and inflation uncertainty. The issuers here today have spent the last year strengthening and optimizing their balance sheets, and I think as a whole, we're in a great spot. Today, we're going to hear from some of Canada's top real estate minds and what they think will happen next and how they intend to navigate the future. As we all know, real estate touches everything and everyone, and all use it in some way, shape, or form. As a sector, it's been pushed and pulled in every direction. Offices have been emptied, and space and usage needs were re-examined. In some cases, this led to significant real estate pivot, and in others, just illustrated the inherent need and demand for bricks and mortar that transcended significant social upheaval. Walking downtown in Montreal today, there's a vibrancy in life that many worried would never return. Cities are becoming bigger and denser, while housing affordability continues to be an issue across the country and really around the globe. All real estate sectors need to find new solutions, solve for better returns, or address holes in markets or offerings. For example, prop tech is a burgeoning sector that all real estate companies have used in some way, shape, or form, but it's never been as dynamic and differentiating as it is today. With that said, I'd like to bring the attention back to the stars of our industry and the focus of this conference, our real estate issuers. Without the expertise of these people in attendance, our teams at Laurentian wouldn't have the opportunity to support and grow with the industry, and our country wouldn't have the oversized impact it has on the global stage, and our markets wouldn't be as liquid, capitalized, or robust. As a leader in Laurentian's organization, I am proud to pledge the continued support of the real estate industry. Thank you all for attending Laurentian Bank's Real Estate Conference segment, and have a great day.